Hello Tasty Fam and welcome to our channel.
Today we are going to make this incredibly delicious strawberry cake.
Watch the video till the end and drop a like if you like this video and leave your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe.
Today's shout out goes to Fatima Fawad, Reena Unicorn, Rose, Emily, Nanda Nidhi, Divya, Emmy's Hybrid Tiger.
We are going to make this cake with fresh strawberries. Making this cake you will need strawberries, chop them and blend them in a mixer jar. Put this mixture in a pan and put 2 tablespoons of sugar or as per the sweetness of your strawberries. Cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes and add citric acid. Don't have it, you can add lemon juice. It should be thick like this and now let it cool down. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour 1.5 cup, powdered sugar 1 cup, butter, ghee or oil 1/2 cup, strawberry puree which we made earlierly and few drops of vanilla essence. You can skip it if you don't have it. Strawberry emulsion 2 to 3 drops. Milk about 1 cup. Add it gradually and slowly. Mix everything very well and make a fluffy batter. Add baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1/2 teaspoon. Mix it very well. Now add lemon zest to enhance the flavor of strawberry. Now add 2 drops of red gel color. Now for baking I am using sand. You can also use salt. Here I am using heated cake tin. Apply oil and put a butter paper. Cover it and bake your cake for 30 to 40 minutes on medium flame. Check your cake with toothpick. Now let it cool down. For icing, I am using 1 cup of whipped cream which is chilled whipped cream. Beat your whipped cream for 5 to 8 minutes or until you get some stiff peaks like this. Now let's prepare strawberry sauce. For that you will need 1/2 cup of strawberry, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. Mix everything well and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. It should be thick like this. Now here we are going to make DIY turntable. For that you will need anything which is flat and heighted and put a plate on it. Now put a cake base. As you can see, it is ready. For making sugar syrup, here I am using sugar 4 tablespoons and water 2 tablespoons. Mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Add 2 to 3 drops of strawberry emulsion. Now put some whipped cream on the cake base to keep your cake steady. Cut your cake in 2 layers. Soak it very well with the sugar syrup. Now put whipped cream and spread it very well. You can also use a spatula if you don't have cake knives. Now put strawberry sauce, which we made earlierly, and spread it very well with the help of cake knife.
Now put second layer of the cake and soak it well with sugar syrup. Now cover your cake with the help of whipped cream. Do like, share and subscribe. Freeze your cake for 10 minutes. For making roses, I am using rose nozzle. For that, mix whipped cream with red gel color and make roses as shown in the video. Make tiny roses so that your cake will look more good. Now put the roses very carefully and place a strawberry which I have cut in the shape of rose. Isn't it looking beautiful? Do comment me if you like this cake. Now create some leaves with the help of whipped cream and green color. Grate some white chocolate. Garnish it with white chocolate decorations. Chill your cake in freezer for 10 minutes. It's time for cutting. As you can see, the cake is super soft and super yummy. Make this cake at your home and share your experiences.